Hey everyone, Akim is here. Welcome to episode 5 of the Directorist Featured Showcase, the series where we spotlight real website created by Directorist user from across the globe. In today's episode, we are featuring a standout website that proves just how powerful a niche directory can be. Let's dive in. Today's featured website is Coated.ca, Canada's largest coating network and installer directory, built to connect homeowners, businesses, and professional installers across the country. Using Directorist, the platform organizes certified epoxy and concrete coating installer into a structured province-by-province directory, making it easy to find the right professional no matter where you are in Canada. But it goes beyond just listing. Coated.ca also features a job board for industry opportunities and a training and events section for coatings professionals looking to grow their skills. This is a great example of how directories can power a full industry platform, combining a professional directory, job board, and resource hub all in one place. And that wrap up this episode of the Directorist Featured Showcase. Coated.ca is a brilliant example of how a focused, industry-specific directory can bring an entire community together on a single platform. Got a Directorist powered website of your own? Share it in the comments or submit it using the form below for a chance to be featured next. Subscribe to stay updated, and we will be back soon with more inspiring website in the next episode.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.